Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2019 Kia Seltos Sports, stock reference number 3951. This shape runs from the 7th month 2019 and is the current shape. It has a D4NH 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. D4NH 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the left-hand power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door also appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. Left rear has a good tyre. Left tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory set nerve touchscreen unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.